Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA ignition replacement turbocharger kit that fits a variety of Chevy vehicles with the 1.4 liter engine. This is going to include the Chevy Encore, Cruze, Cruze Limited, Sonic, and Trax. So this turbocharger is a direct replacement. You'll notice here that the turbocharger actually has an incorporated exhaust manifold that bolts directly to the cylinder head. And if we turn this over, it includes the bypass valve, the control valve for the wastegate, also includes a new exhaust manifold gasket, includes a V-band clamp for the downpipe, and includes all of the associated gaskets and crush washers for the oil and coolant lines that attach to the turbocharger. We also have overview instructions on installing the turbocharger. If you guys have any questions about the turbocharger, if it fits your vehicle, anything to do with installation, please feel free to reach out. We'll be glad to help.